How to make granite floors shine without wax. Dear friends, granite floors add a luxurious and timeless look to any home, but keeping them shiny without wax is easier than you might think. The key is using the right cleaning methods that enhance the natural beauty of the stone instead of covering it up. Start with regular cleaning. Sweep or vacuum the floor daily to remove dust and grit that can dull the surface. Even tiny particles can act like sandpaper and reduce shine over time. Next, use a gentle cleaner. Mix a few drops of mild dish soap with warm water and mop the floor using a soft microfiber mop. Avoid harsh chemicals like vinegar or bleach, as they can damage granite and make it look dull. After mopping, always dry the floor. Use a clean, dry cloth or mop to remove excess water. This prevents water spots and helps restore the natural shine instantly. For extra shine, you can use a baking soda solution occasionally. Mix baking soda with water to form a paste, gently buff the surface, and rinse thoroughly. This helps lift stains and brings back brightness. Another effective method is polishing with a granite-safe polish. These products are designed to enhance shine without leaving a waxy buildup. With consistent care and the right techniques, your granite floors can stay glossy, elegant, and beautiful, no wax needed. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.